Truth 3. When day breaks, the birds fly far and high, only to return in the evening. Man too will eventually return to the source. Man's thoughts are filled with turmoil, but he is an existence that is given birth to by the logic of nature, and it is by this logic that he dies. He who is silent is one who knows the logic of the world, this logic being the will of truth. He who judges the world is one who does not. Man tries to make his mark in the world. Man acts as though he can conquer the heavens. But the truth of all truth is that man is man. Countless people in the world live creating turmoil in their minds, but everything is simply the creation of nature. Though things come and go, man knows nothing. Meanwhile, he grows older and older. This world is entirely the world of truth, but man does not know this.